Hello, good day. I'm Bhea Jinela Iwarat from 4th year Maxwell, and I'm here to help you learn derivatives. But first, what is derivative? Derivative, a measure of how a function changes as its input changes. When looking for derivatives, you should follow some rules. I will teach you two of these rules. First, the derivative of a constant. In this example, you can see that 6 and pi are constants. That's why its derivative is 0. The other rule is derivative of a power. In this example, you can see that the exponent 5 was moved from the exponent to the side of the variable x, and the exponent 5 was and we subtracted 1 from the exponent 5. That's why in the answer, 5x to the 4th power plus 6x squared came from 5x raised to 5 minus 1, which is 4, and 6x raised to 3 minus 1, which is squared. Higher order derivatives. We have this example, y equals x cubed plus 2x squared, and we need to find its first, second, and third derivative. If first derivative is 3x squared plus 4x, because 3 was moved to next to x, and 3 minus 1 equals 2, plus 2 times 2, 4, and then x raised to 2 minus 1, which is 1. So, we don't need to put 1 there. When looking for the second derivative, all we have to do is do the same process. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, we don't need to put there 1 plus 4 because 1 is the exponent, and 4 times 1 equals 4. In looking for the third derivative, all we have to do is do again the same method. That's why the third derivative of our equation is 6, because 6x plus 4, when 4 is a constant, and the exponent of x is 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 1 minus 1 is 0. That's why it will become 1. And then 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.